cheapest thing is remove the passenger's wing. It's also a pre-facelift wing as well, which is a bonus.
Say hi.
Hello. Yeah.
So if any of you follow my Instagram, you'll know I always post pictures of Daryl's cars on, because they're better than mine. He's got this M3. Needs a bit of work doing to it. The engine's sweet as a nut, but the bodywork's shot. So this morning, I'm going to put a lot of bits back on it. Proper M3 bits. Then, rather than these horrible, cheap, pocket spec bumpers. Get this wing sorted out. Obviously I had a prang at some point. Is it open, Daz? The heart of the beast right there. This is an early M3, so it's a 3 litre rather than 3.2.
Might have to stop at ripping dashboard out as well today, depending on how long you're here for.
Could do. But inside it's properly stripped out. It was, or did used to be in a former life, a track car. And we're going to restore it back to being a road car. Well, he's going to restore it back to being a road car. I'm just going to stand there and point and laugh.
While it's fairly miserable.
So we've got a lot of interior to put back in. There's a lot of wiring missing. Like, especially around the back. There's just nothing in here. He's already put the boot on from his old Beamer. But it had a spoiler on, so he's fiberglassed the holes. And obviously...
It's a temporary spoiler, it's a temporary boot lid.
It's a temporary boot lid, he says.
Because the other one's rusty.
We'll get all these panels on and get it sent down for welding, I think, first before he gets it painted. Would be a good idea doing that way around.
Hello folks, seems the camera died, the battery went on the camera, so we just cracked on, got the bumper on, the wing, which is just a pattern part, it doesn't really fit too well. We've got the bonnet on, everything semi-lined up. It's all coming back off anyway in the future, but
Nose cone's making it look fucking miles out though.
yeah. So there we go, a day's work, and some metal bashing in between as well. Are you happy with it, Darryl?
Could have been better, I suppose. Can you get bonnet?
Yeah.